is how the feeding happens here.
Ano ba? Ang taon sila oh. Oop.
Ang isa yun ng isda, no?
Uy, yung sayo. Tulo nyo din nung na.
Ako binang. That's what you call eating. Eating fish.
Mga pilakis da mabusog sa diyan ako.
Gustuhan lang apat ibaw ko lang ba.
Bawa. They eat almost 4 kilos a day. That kind of fish. So we have nothing to do about it, just to give it to them. That turtle.
Ay, itong apps lang. The nice na duwayo.
Hindi. Ayan yung species yung size rata na layan. Ito na Walksbill, green turtle.
Ano na yun?
Walksbill.
Ito yung isa yan.
Green.
Di ba siya ginaway mo na ako?
Why na?
The other one here is the big turtle, of course. Here we go, the breeding of this mama, this turtle 1, turtle 2. Let's just say B1, B2, Bobo 1, Bobo 2. Okay, that's all for today.